Good afternoon. Today is July 19, 2024. It is Friday, time 3 p.m. afternoon for interview. What's it? Design? What's it? So, interview design for experience working in Pidaw. Mandawi. Pidaw, Mandawi. In Cebu province, in Cebu City, Mandawi City in Cebu. Okay, tell your name. So tell when start work Mandawi Pidaw. Okay, so what meaning Pidaw? What meaning? Persons with disability affairs office. Okay, tell when start not work. What month and what date? March 8. Put together Mandawi. Ikaw na? Hindi mo together. Hindi mo think ko na yan. So, then, what ang work sa Pidaw? Pidaw, training mo sa on the job training. What ang work? Schedule sa work. Monday to, gusto ko dito. Hindi kayo. Monday to Saturday, then morning 8 to 5. Okay. So, tell what ang gidong work sa Pidaw. Sign. Okay. Tell what ang gidong work mag-include sa kada. Including for AWB form of ID. 1 year, 3 years, expiration. Next, what room? If maroon, pag-include how pouring your work. Man pa rin.
Unang ko ulit na. Nakaliwa-practice na sila.
Wait lang.
Ano dahil ka?
Ayun ba? Sige, pero na second nga mo review what's wrong. For example, spelling. Pila magkataas ang i-encode ka na nakatasa. So always aware na hindi responsible. Kaya na-mistake, marunong not na-accept it. Labi na pa. Since certificate of labor, kasi not one line. Then, looking. Yeah, right. Okay. Michael, ang boss. Wrong sa number. Numbers are other. What wrong number? Or spelling, or words, or capital, or small, capital, or small. Ano? Okay, so careless. So, tell what one ang na-learn na improve sa work. Pila ka times na absent sa work. pila ka times na absent sa work. One time, one reason nasakit ka. So, how many times na late sa work? Early. No late. So, how man communication sa work you do? Or cellphone? What no? Oh, paper. This para awareness, depth awareness. Other hearing para kat mabuli. Buli. Mabuli ba mo? Ikaw na ibisi. Awareness. Para ma-find. So, if now, finish naman work or GT, March when to start? March 13, 8, April, May, June, July. So, 4 months mag-work. So, if willing mag-work, ma-apply. Asa man ma-apply mag-work with a picture of yourself inside. 2025? June mo nun. July mo nun. Pass na apply na ka. Boss. Willing na ka mo wait para mag-work. August back. Okay. So, thank you. Next.